Hello, Kevin. Good evening. Hello, hello.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening, Kevin, and welcome again to our class for today. It's nice to see you again. How are you today?
I'm good.
Wow, that's very good to know. Did you already eat? Did you already eat your dinner?
Not.
No. Okay, that's okay. So after the class, after we finish the class, you should eat your dinner, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's continue our lesson. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so our lesson is still all about sport. So when we say sport,
Good.
the yes, sport. These are the things that we play physically. So these are the examples of the sports. Let's review the things that we had learned last time. So let's go first with our first sport. What is this, Kevin?
It's basketball.
Okay, very good. So one more time, let's say basketball.
Basketball.
Very good. Good job. Basketball. Number two. How about this one?
It's tennis.
Oh, wow. Good job. It's tennis. Next.
It's uh
It starts with letter H. H. Oh,
hockey.
very good. Good job. It's hockey. Okay, and next. How about this one?
It's football.
Football. Very good. How about this?
It's
Starts with letter B.
pass.
It's
Pass.
hmm, ba bus or base?
Basketball.
Okay, one more time. Let's say baseball.
Baseball.
Okay, perfect. Again, what is this? What sport is this?
It's baseball.
Very good. Baseball. Remember, baseball, not basketball. Okay. Next, how about this one?
It's badminton.
Badminton. Very good. How about this?
It's
It's
table tennis.
very good. It's table tennis. So the difference between tennis and table tennis is tennis we play it in a wide ground. However, table tennis we play it using a table. So from its name itself, table. So next, very good. So good job. Oh, okay. So now let's have here our sentence pattern. So we have here no, again, what is this? No, I can't. Let's say no, I can't. No,
No, I can't.
and
And you?
you and yes.
Yes, I can. And you?
Okay, very good. So again, let's remember that we answer this when we have a question. Can you play table tennis? Can you play basketball? Can you play football? So those are the questions that we can answer based on the question, can you? So we can answer, if our answer is yes, we will say, yes, I can. So that
Yes,
means,
I can.
very good. So that means we can do it. However, if our answer is no, we will say, no, I can't.
No, I can't.
Very good. So it means when we say can't, it means cannot. So that means we cannot do it. So, for example, can you play basketball, Kevin? Yes or no?
Yeah, I can. And you?
Yes, I can. Very good. So this one, and you, so we just ask this if we are talking to a person or our friend. So we ask this if we want to know if they are also playing the sport that you are playing. For example, You ask teacher, and you? So I will say, no, I can't because I am not playing basketball. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so let's practice. Let's practice this word. So again, let's have our first question. So can you read our first question, Kevin?
Jump.
Hmm? Can you?
Jump.
Okay, let's say, can you jump?
Jump.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Yes.
How do we say it? Yes, I can.
Yes. I can.
Very good. Again, can you jump, Kevin? Can you
Yes.
jump?
I can.
Very good. Yes, I can. Next, can you wiggle? Can you wiggle?
Yes. I can.
Yes, I can. Wow, very good. Can you hop on one foot? Can you jump on one foot? Yes, I can, or no, I can't. K-
Um.
Using your one foot, you're using only one foot. Can you jump? Yes or no?
Yes.
Hmm? Can I see if you can hop using your one foot? Can you jump? Jump using only one foot. Like this. Let me see. Like this. Okay, let's see this video. This one.
No, I can't.
I know I can't. This one. Can you do this? Can you jump on one foot? No, I can't.
No, I can.
Okay, no, I can't. Very good. So next, let's move on to our next question. Can you wave your hands? What's
Yes.
your answer?
I can.
Very good. Yes, I can. Can you run on the spot? Can you run? Can you can you stand and run? Can you run on the spot? Can you run on your position? Can you run?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, let's translate it. This one.
Bạn có thể chạy tại chỗ không?
Can you run on the spot? Okay, very good. So what's your answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Yeah, I can.
Very good. So yes, I can. And next, can you clap your hands? Yes or no? Can you clap your
Yes,
hands?
I can.
Yes, I can. Very good. Can you balance on one foot? Can you balance on one foot?
Bạn có thể giữ thăng bằng trên một chân không?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, good job. And next, oh, can you air guitar like this? Air guitar. Can you air? This one. Can you air guitar?
Bạn có biết chơi guitar ảo không?
Yes or no?
No,
No, I.
can.
Very good. No, I can't. And next, can you brush your teeth? Brush, brush, brush. Can you brush your teeth? No?
Yes, I can.
Very good. Very good. That's good to know that you are brushing your teeth. You must take care. And can you dance, Kevin? Can you dance? Yes.
Yes, I can.
Are you sure? Can you show it? How do you dance? Okay, so yes, I. Okay, can you cheer? Can you cheer?
Bạn có thể cổ vũ được không?
Yes
Yes.
or no? Oh, yes, I.
Can't.
Very good. Yes, I can. No, not yes, I can. We say it as yes, I can. So we only say can't with T if our answer is no. So very good. So yes, I can. Wow. So we are finished in our unit 8, lesson 1. So now let's proceed to our new lesson. So let's check. Okay, so we have here for our lesson 2, we have here listening and speaking. So we will practice your listening skills and your speaking skills. So we will listen to a story here and you will answer some question based on the story that we had listened to. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so make sure to listen, okay? So that you can be able to remember the story. So now let's start. Okay, so for this activity, we have here what's through the binoculars. Okay, let's read this one. What's through
What
through
do
the
the we
by
by
uh, binoculars?
I'm giver
Okay, one more time. By no
by no
culars.
curious
Lars.
law
Okay, very good. Let's say it in a speed way or in a fast way. Let's say binoculars.
by no curious
Okay, very good. Let's say Lars.
law
Lars. Binoculars.
by
Okay.
no curious
Okay, very good. So now let's have this activity. We will see through binoculars and those what are the sports that we can see in the binoculars. Okay, so let's read this one. So let's say, hi there. Let's
Hi
read the sentence.
there.
My
My
name.
name is Kim. I'm in a home.
Okay, okay, one more time. Let's say, I'm
I'm
a
a
huge
youth
fan
fans
of
of
different sports.
several sport.
I'd like
I I like
to share
to share some
s-
of my fa-
favorites
favorites with
with
you.
you.
Can
Can
you
you guess
get what
what?
they are?
Very good. So now we have here Kim. Her name is Kim. She is a huge fan of different sports. Now she would like to share her favorite sports. And we will guess what are those sports by looking at the or looking through the binocular. So now let's see our first clue. So what am I looking at? Hmm. What sport is this? Let's see. Oh, what sport is that?
It's
Is it
tennis.
bas? Okay, very good. Let's check. Let's check if your answer is correct. Very good. This is tennis. As you can see, they are using a tennis ball. And also, they are in a wide ground. That is why this is not table tennis, it's tennis. Wow, good job. So, next, let's look again. What am I looking at?
Football.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Very good. Good job. It's football. As we can see here, this is the black and white colored ball, which is the football, the one that we use in football. Very good. Wow. Next, what am I looking at?
Badminton.
Badminton? Are you sure?
Yes.
Very good. Good job. As we can see here, we have here the shuttlecock and the racket. So this is what we use in badminton. Very good. Wow, you are so smart. Next, what am I looking at?
Is basketball.
Okay, very good. Wow. So this one is basketball. One more time, let's say basketball.
Basketball.
Okay, perfect. So as we can see here, we have here the ball or the basketball, which we will shoot in this hoop. So this is, or they are playing basketball. Next, what am I looking at? Okay.
Table tennis.
Okay, very good. So this is what we can see here. This is the table tennis. So this is the table that we use in table tennis. So it is very much different in tennis because we use table here. But for tennis, we only have a net and a very, very wide ground. So this is table tennis. Very good. Next, what is this sport?
Is swimming.
Very good. This is swimming. Do you know how to swim, Kevin?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Wow, that's very good. So that yes, this is swimming. Good job. Next, what am I looking at?
Is hockey.
Okay, very good. Wow. It's hockey. Good job. So as we can see here, this is the stick that we use in hockey, which we use to hit the hockey ball. Yes, very good. So next, what am I looking at? Hmm. What is the sport that they are doing?
Is
What are
running.
Okay, very good. It's running. So the sport that they are doing is running. As we can see here, this is a wide field. So they run through the field, and whoever comes first or goes first will win. So that is running. So next, okay. So let's listen here to some of the children that we have. So there are nine. How many children? How many children do we have here, Kevin?
Mm.
How many children?
Is
There are.
red.
How many? There are.
Nine.
Okay, there are nine children. So these children, they have different names and they have different sports that they do. So now let's listen and match their names as along with the sports that they play. Okay, so now let's listen to the sound that we have here.
Listening 29. Listen and draw lines.
Hello. Are these children your friends, Lucy?
Yes, they are. Can you see the boy with the glasses?
Yes.
Well, his name's Ben.
Ben?
Yes, and he can play badminton.
Badminton?
Yes.
And who's that girl there?
The girl with the long dress.
No, the girl with the short dress.
Oh, that's May.
May? She's very young. Can she play a sport?
Well, she can play table tennis.
Table tennis? Wow, that's good.
It's okay.
Okay, so again, let's listen to. Okay, go. Draw a line. Her name is May. And what is she playing? Very good. So, what is this? What sport is this?
It's table tennis.
Okay, very good. So, that is our first children or first child. So, she is May. She is playing table tennis. Next.
No, the girl with...
That's May.
Can she play a sport? Wow, that's good.
It's okay.
Okay, let's listen to the next one.
And that girl there, what's her name?
Which girl?
The girl with the orange skirt.
Is she wearing a hat?
No, but she's got long hair.
Oh, yes. That's Grace.
Grace. That's a nice name. And what sport can she play?
Oh, she can play basketball.
Basketball. Really?
Oh, yes. She's very good.
Okay, so now Kevin, which is the girl that we have for our second child? The audio said it is the girl wearing orange skirt. So who is wearing an orange skirt with a long hair? Is it number 1, this one, or number 9? Who? Number 1 or number 9?
Number 1.
Okay, very good. So this one is, her name is Grace. And what does she play? She play?
Basketball.
Okay, very good. So our second child is Grace, and she plays basketball. Very good. Good listening skills. Next, let's move on to our third child. Let's listen.
And who's that boy?
Which boy?
The very tall boy there.
Is he wearing grey trousers?
No, blue trousers.
Oh, that's Alex.
Alex. And can he play basketball too?
No, he plays football.
Football. Right.
Okay, for our third child. Who is our third child? So the sound said it is a tall boy. He is wearing blue trousers. Is it number 2?
Number 2.
Are you sure? Is he tall? Number 2? Is number 2 tall? When we say tall boy, so he is tall. Are you sure it's number 2? Who is taller? Okay. Who is taller? Number 2 or number 4?
Ai cao hơn, số 2 hay số 4?
Who is taller? 2 or 4?
Oh.
Very good. So who is the child for our third one? It's number
4.
Very good. And what is his name? What is number 4's name? What is his name? Alex. Very good, Alex. And he plays, what game is that?
Football.
Very good. So he plays football. Very good. So next, let's have our fourth child.
Look, that's my friend Tom.
Where?
Look, there with the hat on.
Oh, is he holding a bag?
Yes, he is. And you know, Tom can play hockey.
Can he? That's a great game.
Yes.
Okay, so next, Kevin, where is the child? Okay, very good. So the child that is wearing a hat and holding a backpack. His name is? What is his name?
It's Tom.
Very good. And what does he play? He plays. He plays what? He plays, what do we call this sport?
It's hockey.
Very good. He plays hockey. So good job. So next, let's go to our fifth children or fifth child. So let's listen. To
And can you see the boy there with the red jacket?
Oh, yes. You mean the boy with the banana?
No, the boy holding an apple, not a banana.
Oh, yes, I can see him now. So, what's his name?
Well, that's Dan. He's funny. Dan can play baseball.
Baseball? I don't know that game.
Don't worry, I can show you.
Oh, okay then.
Okay, next, Kevin. Who is the boy that we are finding? Okay, very good. What is his name?
It's Dan.
Dan. And what does he play?
It's
He plays.
ball.
Okay, one more time. Let's say baseball.
Baseball.
Base. Base.
Baseball.
Very good. That's so nice. So very good. So this is the boy who is holding an apple. He is Dan. He is playing baseball. Very good. And for our last child, let's listen. Who is he?
And that's Pat. She can play tennis. She's really good.
Tennis? Right. But which is Pat?
Oh, sorry. She's standing there. She's got short hair and she's wearing her new hat.
Oh, yes, I can see her. So, your friends can play lots of sports.
Yes, they can.
Okay, so next girl. So we have another girl. So who are we finding? Is it number 2, number 5, or number 8?
Number
So the
Nine.
guys number
9.
number 9?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
The sound said she is wearing her new hat. Is number 9 wearing a hat? Yes
Number
or
5.
no? Very good. So this one is our last child. Our last child. Who is she? What is her name?
Name is
Her name is
Pat.
very good. Her name is Pat. And what does Pat can play? What sport can Pat play?
Play tennis.
Very good. Wow, good job. So, Pat can play tennis. So, good job. So, I can see all of your answers are correct. So, very good in this listening and matching activity. So, good job. Next, let's move on to our next page. Okay. So, now, Kevin, let's talk about your friend. Do you have a friend? Do you have a friend? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What is your friend's name?
Bạn của bạn tên là gì?
What is your friend's name? What is it? It's
Tom.
Tom. Oh, Tom. Like Tom, like this?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now, since we already or you already introduced Tom, can you tell teacher what is Tom's favorite sport?
Boat.
Why is there no sound? Wait, let me just reload. What is Tom playing a sport?
Yes.
Yes. What is Tom's favorite sport?
Em có
Football.
thể cho cô giáo biết môn thể thao yêu thích của Tom là gì không ạ?
Football.
Oh, football. Okay, let's say Tom's favorite sport.
Football.
Okay, let's say it in a complete sentence. Let's practice your speaking skills. Tom's
Tom
favorite.
favorite sport is football.
Okay, very good. So again, let's introduce your friend Tom. So let's say I have a friend. His name is Tom. Okay, can you read this one, Kevin? I I have a
A friend, his name is Tom. Tom's favorite sport is football.
Okay, very good. How about you, Tom? What is your favorite sport? What's
It
your it?
is
What's your favorite sport? Is it basketball, football?
basketball.
Oh, okay. Let's say my favorite.
Sport is basketball.
Okay, very good. Who do you play basketball with? Who do you play basketball with? Do you play basketball with Tom?
Bạn chơi bóng rổ với ai?
Is brother.
Oh, okay. Let's say I play.
I play basketball with my brother.
Okay, very good. How about Tom? Do you play football with Tom? Do you play football with Tom?
Yes.
Oh yes. Oh yes, I play with Tom. So very good. So good job. Okay. Oh, wow. So we had finished lesson number 2. So very good. You are a speedy learner. So now let's move on to our newer lesson, which is, let me just open lesson number 3. Okay, just for a moment. Let me just open. Where is lesson number 3? Oops. Okay, let me just open. Unit 8, lesson number 3. Okay. So we have Unit 8, lesson number 3. Let me just open. Ching. Okay. So where is it? Okay, this one. Okay, so this will be our
Get ready for starters.
Get ready for starters. Unit 8, lesson number 3, which is we are still talking about sports. However, for lesson number 3, we will talk about, or we will practice your story and writing. So we will practice how you can listen to a story and how you write your sentence, or how you write structures, sentence structures. Oh no, why is it? Okay, let me just open it again. Why is it gone? Okay, let's open. It's open now. For this one, we will practice your story and writing. Okay, let's start. Oh, okay. Let's have our first word here. Kevin, What do you think is the boy doing?
He's excited.
What is he doing?
He's
He's
excited.
is he excited? What is he doing?
He's ride a bike.
Very good. So he is riding a bike. So one more time. What is the boy doing, Kevin?
He's riding a bike.
Okay, let's say he's. He's
He's riding a bike.
okay, very good. So he is riding a bike. Our word here is, can you read our word? It is
Riding.
riding. Very good. Riding. Very good. So now, Kevin, do you know? Do you know? Do you know how to ride a bike?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. What is the color of your bike?
He's orange.
Oh, it's orange. Wow. That's a very beautiful color. Who do you who do you ride your bike with?
Bạn thường đạp xe cùng ai?
Do you ride with your brother?
Mm. No.
Who do you ride your bike with? Do you ride with your father? Do you ride with your friend Tom?
My father.
Oh, with your father. Okay, let's say I ride a bike
With my father.
with my father. Very good. Let's read the whole sentence. Let's say I ride
I
ride
ride
a bike.
with
Wait,
my father.
very good. So I ride a bike with my father. So when we say riding, Kevin, riding is sitting on something that moves. For example, bike or bicycle or a horse. So example in this picture, he is riding a bike. Also, we can ride other things. We can ride a car. We can ride a motorcycle. We can ride a train. So that is riding.
Riding.
Yes. Do you like to ride your bike? Do you like to ride? Do you like to ride a bicycle? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. So because riding is a very good exercise, especially with your feet. It exercises your feet. Next, how about this one? What is the ball doing? Our word here is, we call this one as, can you please read this word? Let's
It's
see.
bouncing.
Okay, one more time. Let's say bouncing.
It's
Bouncing.
bouncing.
Let's say bound, sing. Bound, sing.
Bouncing.
Very good.
Bouncing.
Very good. So it is bouncing. So when we say bouncing, Kevin, it is making something go up and down. Like for example, a ball. If we hit the ball onto the ground, the ball will bounce. So that is bouncing. So we can also bounce when we jump, we bounce. So that is bouncing. Okay, so do you do you like to play a bouncing ball, Kevin?
Bạn có thích chơi bóng này không?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, I can, or yes, I like. So yes, we can do bouncing ball, but just by throwing the ball onto the ground, we will make the ball bounce. So that is bouncing. So next, Let's proceed to our next word. What do you think is this boy doing with the tennis ball? The boy is...
Eat tennis.
Yes, he is playing tennis. But what is he doing with the ball? The boy is...
The ball is
The boy
in
is...
hitting.
Very good, very good. So our word here is hitting. So when we say hitting, so we use our hand or object to touch something hard. Or also we use our hand to hit a ball. Yes, like for example, in this picture, this boy is using a racket to hit the tennis ball. So we use an object here. So this one, when we say hitting, this is an action that we do when we use our hand or object to touch or to hit something with our hands or using an object. So this is hitting. The boy is hitting the tennis ball. Next, what is the boy doing?
Eat walking.
Very good. Wow, good job. The boy is walking. So when we say walking, Kevin, it is moving slowly using our feet. For example, when you go to school early in the morning, so you walk. So I am walking to school. So we are walking or we walk. Do you like to walk, Kevin? Do you like to walk?
Kevin, cậu có thích đi bộ không?
Yes, I can.
Okay, we say yes, I like, not yes, I can. So we can only answer yes, I can and no, I can't for question that is starting with can. Can you? And if you are being asked by a question starting with do you like? So we answer it by yes, I like.
Yes,
No,
I like.
or no, I don't like.
No, I don't like.
Okay, very good. So do you like walking, Kevin? Do you like to walk?
Yes.
Yes, I. What do we answer? Yes, I like or yes, I can? What should we answer? Yes, I can or yes, I like? We answer because our question is about do you like? So we will answer it by yes, I like.
Yes.
Okay, very good. And if we are being asked by the question, can you walk? Can you walk? Like for this one, can you walk? So we will answer yes, I can because there is a word here, can. Okay, yeah, so yes, I can. Okay, so very good. So this is again walking. So next, let's move on to our next word. If we have walking, what is this? What is the girl doing? The girl is... What is the girl doing?
Running.
Okay, very good. So the girl is running. So when we say, oh, the girl running, the girl is running. So Kevin, when we say running, so if we have walking, moving slowly on your feet, for running, we move fast on our feet. So we move or we walk faster. So we move fast. Like for example, if we want to do an exercise, so we can run on the park or she is running in the park. So if we want to exercise, we can do running. So it
Run.
so it will help us lose weight. Running. So this is running. Do you like to run? Or do you like running? Kevin, do you like running?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Còn chưa xong
What
phép.
what should we answer by the question, do you like? Yes, I.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
I like.
Again. Okay, very good. So remember, if we are asked the question, do you like? We will answer, yes, I like. But
Yes,
if we, very good. So if we um, are being asked by the question, can you run? So that is the time that we will answer, yes, I can. So it depends on the question that are being asked to us. Okay. So again, this is running, moving fast, using our feet. So next, let's move on to our next word. What is the boy doing? The boy is, we call
the
this
boy
one,
is throwing.
okay, one more time. Let's say throwing.
Throwing.
Okay, very good. So throwing. So when we say throwing, so we use our hand to send something through the air. Like for example, this ball. We throw the ball through the air and it will go back to us. So if we throw a ball on the wall, it will go back to us. So like for
Okay.
example, in this picture, he is throwing the ball. Like for example, when we are playing basketball, we throw the ball for us to be able to shoot it in the hoop.
Mhm.
So that, yes, so that is how we play basketball. We throw the ball into the hoop. Okay, so next. Yes, next one. What is the girl doing with the ball? She is,
It's
what
football.
is, yes, she is doing football, but what is she doing with the football? She is, the word is,
Is it
how do we read this one? She is key, she is kicking. Very good. One more time, let's say she is
She is
kicking.
kicking the ball.
Very good. She is kicking the ball. Good job. So that is what is the girl doing? Especially when we are playing football, we kick the ball. Okay. So when we say kicking, it is using our foot to move something. Okay. That is football when we play football or soccer ball. So we usually kick this ball. Okay, when you play football or soccer ball with Tom, do you kick the ball, Kevin? When you play football with Tom, do you kick the ball? Yes or no? When you play football, do you kick the ball?
Hello.
Yes. Okay, yes.
Yes, I can.
Okay, very good. So yes, I can. So very good. So we usually kick the ball when we are playing football or soccer ball. So next, let's move on to our next one. So let's complete the sentences. So for our activity one, we will complete the sentences that we have. So let's have here our first example. So what is the two boys or what are the two boys doing?
Two
Two
boys.
boys
Two
are,
boys in football side is king the ball.
Okay, one more time. Very good. So one more time. Let's read this word. Let's say kicking. Kicking. Can you read the word? Let's say kicking. Kicking, kicking, kicking. Okay, very good. So as we can see here, two boys are playing football. So how do we play football? We play football by kicking the ball. So next, number 2. Let's go with the girls who are playing tennis. So this one. What are the girls doing? So let's read. Lucy,
Lucy is playing tennis.
what do we do by the ball? Using the racket.
She is
She is.
hitting.
Okay, one more time. She is
She is
hitting the.
hitting a ball.
Okay, very good. So she is hitting the ball. So that is what we use or what we do, especially when we are playing tennis. So, okay. So I think it's the end of our time, Kevin. So we will just continue this lesson or activity next time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time today, Kevin. Goodbye and see you again
Bye.
soon. Bye bye.
Bye.